Come with us on a trip to Disney Springs en route to a boat ride that we hoped was going to take us to Port Orleans Riverside. And we eventually got there, but because of the weather that day, we had to take a little bit of a detour. Before we got on the boat, we decided to grab a bite to eat, and we stopped by a place that we had not been before called Paradiso 37. And the food was fine. I got a burger, the toddler got some hot dogs / corn dogs, and Heather got a salad. So some simple food, highly priced, but so is everything nowadays, but it was fine. And then it was time to make our trek down through Disney Springs, over across this bridge here, and to get over to the boat area. You've got to wind kind of to the back part to get over to the exit, and it leads down a path to this ramp here where you can hop on the boat and you could head down the river and get to Port Orleans French Quarter. You can get to Port Orleans Riverside. There's a couple other stops that the boats make as well. But our toddler really wanted to go check this out. The boat ride is one of her favorite parts of all of Disney World. So we had to make sure on our night at Disney Springs that we really got on and took advantage of the boating.
Marketplace. Thank you.
It's a video.
That breeze feels good. That breeze feels good.
Well, we hopped on and everything seemed fine, but there was lightning in the area, so we had to come to the first dock, and we actually had to walk all the way around Saratoga Springs Resort. It was the first time I had seen it. It was really cool, but we had to walk a little bit, get back in line for the buses, and swing all the way around via bus to get back to Disney Springs after a couple of stops made on the bus. We got back on the bus at Disney Springs and finally made our way over to Port Orleans Riverside. The dining hall at the Riverside Mill, one of my favorite spots to eat on property. It's just got a really cool vibe, And it was really crowded tonight, and we had already eaten, so we didn't get a ton of food here. We just got some dessert, some Mickey bars, some ice cream, and then wandered back around outside. And by that time, the weather had cleared up and the boats were running again. So we finally got to get on the boat and get the full experience for Allison, which is one of her favorite parts of all of Disney World.